असलामुअलैकुम, वेलकम टू एक्टिव फाइनेंस यूट्यूब चैनल। उम्मीद करता हूँ सब ठीक ठाक होंगे। दिस इज़ एन अदर वीडियो फॉर preparation of assistant accounts officer BPS 16. This video is compiled from CSA's past papers accountancy and auditing. This paper is paper 2 from 2004 paper. So let's get started. The first question of this paper is the heat treatment department at Noori Pipe is the third department in a sequential process. The work in process account for the department would consist costs transferred in from the prior department, material costs added in the heat treatment department, conversion costs added in the heat treatment department, are all of above. So correct इसका ऑप्शन है कि ये सब जो भी अबव ऑप्शंस हैं वो करेक्ट हैं। इस सीक्वेंशियल प्रोसेस में सब आ जाते हैं। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन है, इन अ प्रोसेस कॉस्ट सिस्टम द यूनिट कॉस्ट इज कंप्यूटेड फॉर अ जॉब, बैच ऑफ गुड्स, डिपार्टमेंट, कैटेगरी ऑफ गुड्स। सो प्रोसेस कॉस्ट सिस्टम में हम डिपार्टमेंट वाइज कॉस्ट को कंप्यूट करते हैं, जो यूनिट कॉस्ट होती है उसकी। Third question, a written order sent to inform the purchasing department of a need for material is called purchase order, receiving report, purchase requisition, materials requisition form. So इसका करेक्ट जो ऑप्शन है उसको हम कहते हैं परचेज रिक्यूजेशन सेंड करते हैं हम परचेज डिपार्टमेंट को। Costs in the beginning work in process inventory are added to the cost of current period when making unit cost calculation by the FIFO cost method, the weighted average cost method, the quantity schedule method, LIFO method. So ये फर्स्ट जो ऑप्शन है FIFO फर्स्ट इन फर्स्ट आउट कॉस्ट मेथड में होता है। फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, A chemical process has normal wastage of 10%, उसमें 10% wastage है of input in a period 2500 kgs of material were input। ठीक है, 2500 kgs जो material का input था and there was abnormal loss, उसमें abnormal loss भी ऐड था। वो कितना था? 75 kgs। What quantity of goods production was achieved? So ऑप्शंस यहाँ पे आप देख लें। अब कैलकुलेशन इसकी देखें, 10% तो नॉर्मल इसका है वो होगा 250 प्लस हम 75 ऐड करेंगे तो वो होंगे 325। अगर हम 2500 से माइनस करेंगे तो हमारा जो राइट ऑप्शन होगा वो ए होगा 2175 kgs, विच इज़ करेक्ट ऑप्शन। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, premium on issue of shares can be used for payment of dividends, writing of preliminary expenses, paying fees to directors, redemption of debentures। So correct इसका जो ऑप्शन है वो है बी। सेवेंथ क्वेश्चन, प्री इनकॉर्पोरेशन प्रॉफिट इज टू बी credited to capital reserve, profit and loss account above the line, profit and loss account below the line, general premium। So correct इसका ऑप्शन है capital reserve। Eighth question, the excess of goods price over the net asset is goodwill, capital reserve, preliminary expenses, share premium। So इसका correct option है A, goodwill। Ninth question, statutory report is necessary in case of all companies, public limited companies, foreign companies, private limited companies। So it is necessary in case of public limited companies। Dividends are usually paid on call up capital, paid up capital call in advance, subscribed capital। So usually paid on paid up capital। The provision for taxation of a previous year was 1 lakh and tax assessed for that year was 80,000. This adjustment for this year is a credit of 1,000 below the line, a credit of Rs 80,000 below the line, a credit of 20,000 above the line, or a credit of Rs 20,000 below the line. So correct option इसका D है, a credit of 20,000 rupees below the line. Amount set apart to meet losses due to bad debt is a provision, reserve, liability, contingent liability, E none of these. So इसका करेक्ट जो ऑप्शन है A, provision. Advance payment of tax is in the nature of asset, revenue expense, liability or prepaid expense. So इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन है D, prepaid expense के नेचर में आ जाते हैं ये. Value that express preferred behavior and the means by which one achieves his or her goals are known as terminal values, dominant values, instrumental values, effective values. So these are terminal values. 15 question. Evaluate positive or negative concerning people, objects or events are called perceptions, attitudes, beliefs, values. So these are called attitudes. 16th question. The auditor is required to report the financial statement are true and correct, true and fair, complete and correct, D covering all required records. So correct इसका जो ऑप्शन है B, the auditor is required to report the financial statements are true and fair. The auditors are appointed by the following authorities: creditors, debtors, shareholders, directors. So these are appointed by shareholders of company. Interim audit is conducted for examining the account for full 1 year, next 1 year, previous 1 year, for a part of current year. So it will be conducted for a part of current year. 19th question. Payment should be made preferably through cross check, bank draft, pay order, cash basis. So it is preferred that check should be crossed for safe payments. Last question. The purchase of machinery on account would increase an asset and decrease another asset. Increase an asset and decrease liabilities. Increase an asset and increase in liability. D decrease an asset and increase liability. So इसकी करेक्ट जो एंट्री होगी वो कैसे होगी कि एसेट्स हमारे इंक्रीज हो जाएंगे, लाइबिलिटीज डिक्रीज हो जाएगी. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो. इससे रिलेटेड आपको अगर कोई क्वेश्चन है तो कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर पूछिएगा. हेयर एंड्स 2004 पेपर एंड नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम सॉल्व करेंगे 2005 के MCQs. सो स्टे कनेक्टेड. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए खुदा हाफिज़. थैंक यू.